Okay, so we finished our first cut, going around the whole head. See the difference? And so you just go back on yourself and check the length again by combing again from the base, checking to see if there are parts that are too high and some that are too low. And what I've done, I've mixed up the hair, so now you are really not on exactly where you started. So when you mix it, now you've got all the different parts that you cut coming together to give you a better image of what you have done. Again, you look at it, you feel you need to take a bit more off, you go for it. And you comb again. So that feels a lot fuller and thicker from the base all the way to the tip. Do the same thing on the other side. If you find the strands are too much to handle, just share them in groups again and just check. And whenever you finish, try and mix them up to see if they are looking similar or some parts are too long and some parts too short. That looks okay. And then we go on to this group. The beauty of trimming normally is to give your hair a better chance of being a lot more healthier. So it will not tangle as much as when it was longer. So it's a lot more fuller to handle as well. More volume. And so I'll carry on just touching up the final finish with the front as well. Then I'll show you the final look.